Hey there, so here's Yotta app win cash prizes, a chance to win every day. Amazing games, life-changing prizes, Yotta Ball, Moonshot. So play free games on Yotta, climb to the top of leaderboard, win tokens and tickets to redeem for life-changing prizes. Enter into nightly number drawings with life-changing prizes. Pick 6 numbers for each of your tickets or have them auto-selected for you. The winning numbers are drawn every night at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. Tune in live to find out what you have won. The more numbers you match, the more you win. Match all 6 and you win the jackpot. So this is kind of like online lottery app. It has quite a lot of ratings. To be honest, I don't know if this app is completely legit or whether this is not a scam and all of that, but I just created an account. So you can create an account with your email and password. And then like here, you just see how much time left to this drawing. And then you can enable to automatically play daily. You can tap to submit it, and then I'm auto playing all tickets. So you can see my tickets. So here you can see prizes. If you match all of 6 numbers, you can win like $1 million. If you yeah, of course it's split. If you get like 4 numbers correctly, just like in lottery, you can get $20. So yep, that's the idea. You can also have pool play. You can have some lucky tickets. So yep, that's just the idea. You can see top winners who won what. Like some people won like $20,000. It says. I don't know how legit is that, but then also yeah, you can also have some. You can play some games. You can go to their shop, and then there is your account, where you can also go and you can also share and invite friends, and also get some referral codes. So referral boxes contain up to $100 and 1 million tickets. When your friend signs up using your username and makes a deposit, you each earn a referral box. So here, feel free to use my username here. So that's just what it is. So yep, give it a try to this app. Maybe you can win some few, like $10, $20, maybe 20,000. Who knows? So give it a try. I haven't heard about this app before, but it's just getting some traction. So there you have it.